friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. We have a beautiful bob wig to talk about today.
Wonder why we separated.
Today's hair sponsor is Eyefanniy. This is actually an Amazon store and I have not collaborated with this company before. I'm gonna have the link in the description box if you want to purchase this wig and you want to find the particular store that I got this wig from. It's gonna be down there in the description box for you guys. I have installed the 5x5 Glueless HD wig. This is in the highlight color and this is obviously a curly bob.
You shine so bright, it's an understatement. Single is overrated. If you get too close, my baby might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight, take me back, baby. It's 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting.
So this wig does have a lot of grippage, extra grippage, so we love that. I am going to spray some lace tint on this wig, but right now I'm just adjusting the band. Okay, so the only thing I'm going to do is spray some lace tint on the lace right now.
Made it when all day dedicated 18 hours without breaking, not thinking about us. Then in my mind, you're next to me laying. Those memories keep playing. Am I high or am I crazy? Might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Back. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby.
Really long time. Actually, I don't know if I've ever reviewed a wig like this. Have I? You guys tell me. Like a short curly highlight blonde bob? I don't know. See how I just pushed that hair up? I think it gives a more realistic look. What I'm gonna do next is go in with like a brown shadow and just dab that here. See how that's kind of hiding that little track thingy? I didn't really do that the last time. Yeah. Okay, that's looking actually really good. That's looking really good, really cute. I'm surprised. Okay, I'm gonna go in with some powder that kind of matches my skin tone just to clean up that part just a little bit more, make it look a little bit more realistic. Keep in mind, I did not bleach the knots on this unit before I installed her. This is a fresh out of the box install. Oh yeah, this is cute.
Honestly, I don't care, I don't care, I don't care that she's...
First, I was a bit afraid of trying this wig because I thought, you know, it's short, it's not gonna look good on me. But as soon as I put it on and I started combing through it, oh my god, it's a vibe. It's definitely a look. It's cute. I would definitely wear this wig. If you're someone who likes curly hair or shorter wigs, I would say get this wig. It's really pretty. The chocolate brown down at the bottom and then the lighter tones, it is giving very much mocha chocolate. Okay, this is giving a caramel frap in the fall, like, or a pumpkin spice. It's giving that kind of energy and we need this in our life. Amazon fine, great wig. Like, don't sleep on Amazon. They have some really cute wigs, guys. If you want to purchase this wig, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you. I'm impressed with it. I think it is so cute. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Leave a thumbs up. It really does go a long way. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.